Reviewing the GSL GM City 1720 Boat Trail, southwestern Calgary, Alberta. Today we're looking at the brand new 2020 Chevrolet Traverse LT. This vehicle is powered by the 3.6 liter V6 and made it up to the 9-speed automatic transmission, and of course is all-wheel drive. Once inside on the interior of this Traverse, we do have the, right on the door, the power windows, power mirrors, power locks, and your dial for your tailgate. Moving on to the steering wheel, leather wrapped and heated, cruise control, forward collision warning, speak to talk, and audio and dash controls, all controlled from that steering wheel there. Moving into the center of the vehicle, we do have the push button start, 8-inch touchscreen for your navigation, audio, climate controls, as well as your Apple CarPlay. We do have the heated front seats as well as all your climate controls here. Automatic shifter knob, electronic parking brake, 4x4 dial there. The different modes the vehicle has. It does have lane keep assist as well. Beautiful leather, black leather interior with the bronze stitching. And these all new cloth seats. Very comfortable, really like the material. The material itself is very stiff, but very forgiving when you sit in it. Moving on to the exterior of the Traverse here, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Bridgestone all-weather tires. Mating those tires up with the all-wheel drive capabilities of this vehicle, you can definitely drive confidently no matter what weather you're in. Beautiful black mosaic paint job with the pearl finish you can see in the sunlight there. We do have the color matched door handles as well as the mirror caps, chrome around the window trim there. We have the roof rails up top, of course, LED daytime running lights in the front, parking sensors on the rear, power tailgate, very cool dual chrome exhaust tips with the flared tips, making the rear end a little more aggressive looking. Does not affect the vehicle, just pure appearance. Looks very cool. We do have the heated hitch as well underneath that center plastic piece. Moving on to the interior again here, second row captain's chairs, both with the cloth as well. We do have the climate controls for the rear, dual USB, LED lighting, and the AC vents up top as well. Quickly fold down your seat and you have access to your third row, 60/40 cloth split. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk around video on the brand new 2020 Chevrolet Traverse LT. Whenever you're ready to experience the versatility and utility that this vehicle has to offer, come down and see us here at GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail Southwest.